My name is Dr. John Ketcher, and I am an optometrist here at CHRISTUS Trinity Clinic. I grew up in Central California. It's a lot of farmland. My dad worked for Blue Diamond Almonds, and I grew up in kind of a small town, about 60,000 people, and weather was great, and enjoyed growing up there. My parents have probably had the biggest influence in my life. My mom really instilled those really solid core values in me, and I learned from my dad kind of a service mentality. He'd give anything and everything to anybody if they needed it, the shirt off his back if he had to. So my parents have definitely been the biggest influence on me growing up, and now it's my wife. We've been married for almost 13 years, and she's by far had the biggest influence on my life in that period of time, so I'm grateful for that. I was actually born cross-eyed and had 4 eye operations before I was 2 to straighten my eyes out. And so I knew when I got to college I wanted to go into healthcare. I wanted to do something that would allow me to help people. And optometry made the most sense for me. I'd spent so much time in the eye doctor's office growing up that this was just a field that made sense. It's something that I can show empathy for. I know what my patients are going through because I've been through it myself. What I love most is helping people. Vision's a very important thing. Most patients I talk to say that of all the senses, they'd be the most afraid to lose their vision. So I enjoy being part of that process to help give people the best vision they possibly can. My philosophy with patient care is treating patients with respect, and communication's a big one. So for me personally, I've tried to take all of the frustrations that I've experienced myself in healthcare and do the opposite. So I enjoy talking to my patients and making sure that they understand exactly what's going on in terms they can understand, and so they don't have any questions. So they leave the office knowing exactly what's going on with their eyes and what they can look forward to in the future as far as the health of their eyes.